discuss something, my favorite topic, conversational AI. So Ashish, please.
So Chetan, conversational AI is nothing. See, on one side you have a brain, other side I have a brain, right? But you as a human are able to interact with one person. You cannot interact with thousands of people. But if tomorrow you wanted to leverage yourself to interact with thousands of people at one single time, yes, you have to build up conversational AI, which these are some of the stacks. If you say it's called speech recognition. So identify you have to identify intents of the conversation. So this is possibility called as speech recognition. It could be accessed in a mobile application, web interfaces, telephony, or any kiosk. We are doing implementations in over 10 languages in India, where a user whatever inputs is recognized by the system. These are called it intents, right? So a speech recognition system typically works on natural language processing and natural language understanding. So a system does the natural language understanding, whereas I as a user will use a natural language processing. तो I have an example. मेरे बैंक अकाउंट में बैलेंस कितना है? So ये मेरी natural language processing है, और system क्या करेगा? उसको अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेगा, अकाउंट बैलेंस बताना है, राइट? सो ऑफ कोर्स बहुत जरूरी है. सेकंड इज machine bolegi. So you will have to enable machine of voice. You have to train up a machine. So deep neural networks, if you have heard of D and N, so there are a lot of neural networks available in which you can train up a machine to learn the kind of voice acoustics. ये acoustics learn करने के बाद आप systems को business intelligence दे सकते हो. So this is what we as a speech recognition. Let me explain you something of voice biometrics. So there was one person who asked this question, why do you need voice biometrics? Voice biometrics is only dependent on your voice. Aapki voice is the only thing which cannot be copied, because voice में हमारे पास physical characteristics होते हैं और behavioral होते हैं. So mimicking a voice is possible. You can still mimic a voice of Amitabh Bachchan, but the physical characteristics of Amitabh Bachchan cannot be copied by anybody. So tomorrow, cars like, companies like BMW, companies like Apple, they have voice biometric system. In fact, इंडिया में हमारे पास 5 बैंक हैं जो वॉइस बायोमेट्रिक बेस्ड ऑथेंटिकेशंस कर रहे हैं पिछले 1 साल से. लोगों को पता नहीं है. आपके वॉइस के सैंपल्स होंगे, आप उनको बोलिए देयर आर 140 कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ योर वॉइस, उसके पैरामीटर्स पे पासवर्ड्स बनते हैं. और कल आपका इंटरव्यू हो सकता है किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, आपके वॉइस पासवर्ड के थ्रू हो, आपकी सैलरी वॉइस पासवर्ड पे ट्रांजैक्शन हो सकता है आप ट्रेन के टिकट बुक कर पाए क्योंकि आपकी वॉइस ऑथेंटिकेटेड है. मेनी इंटरफेसेस आते हैं. एटीएम से पैसे निकाल पाए, एटीएम कार्ड की जरूरत नहीं है.
So Ashish, in this way, it is not possible that in the next time my telephonic interview, मेरा दोस्त नहीं दे पाएगा.
Correct, absolutely. You cannot cheat. It has to be your own voice. So people are like that only.